The on-site LC optical fiber connector is an optical fiber connector developed by en.jonhon for on-site construction scenarios. It is mainly used in 5G outdoor micro base stations, industrial sites, optical fiber distribution frames, optical fiber network equipment, server room renovation, etc. This product is interchangeable with standard LC connector, suitable for 1.6 mm times 2.1 mm butterfly optical cables. The installation is simple and fast, even in a complex and limited space. Minimal training required and easy to use. The special operation tool coming with this product is multifunctional, which makes operations such as stripping of coating, optical fiber length measurement, removing the connector sheet, etc. very easy, and reduces the number of tooling needed. This product uses a classic connection structure of ceramic pins and ceramic sleeves. Material sources and production processes are stable. There will be no compression needed during prefabrication and on-site installation of optical fiber. No radial pressure for bare optical fiber. It has a high reliability for long-term use and better environmental resistance. This product has an excellent performance. The average insertion loss is not more than 0.3 dB, and the return loss is not less than 45 dB. When it is adapted to 1.6 mm times 2.1 mm optical cables, the tensile strength is not less than 35 Newton, which satisfies single amplitude vibration of 10 Hz to 55 Hz and 0.75 mm. The on-site installation steps of the product are as follows. Step 1. Optical cable processing. Put the protective shell on the optical cable. Strip the reinforcing layer of the optical cable by stripping pliers. The length is greater than 45 mm. Step 2. Stripping. Put the optical cable into the groove on the front of the tooling. The cut surface of the cable sheath is horizontal with the positioning surface of the tooling. Press the wire stripper and pull the fiber straight out at a uniform speed. Step 3. Fiber cleaving. Wet the fiber with alcohol prep pads to ensure a clean surface. Put the optical cable into the groove on the back of the tooling, and the cut surface of the optical cable bears against the positioning surface of the tooling. Put the tooling and the optical cable into the cutter. Curve the top of the cutter. Slide blade to cut the fiber. Step 4. Insert the cut optical cable into connector from the V-groove at the end of the connector, till the cut surface of the optical cable bears against the positioning surface of the connector. Then check the bare fiber. If the bare fiber is slightly bent in the V-groove, the assembly is good. Straight bare fiber means the cutting length is too short, and the fiber is not installed properly. If the highest point of the bare fiber is higher than the connector housing, the cutting length is too long, and there is a hidden danger. Push the protective housing from the end of the connector. The click sound indicates a good installation.